Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on the jobs screen of Pipeline. Now here we're looking at a job that we've already defined in the database, so let's go ahead and add some candidates to the list. Now you notice that once we've done that, each candidate has a status of not sent yet, and the date is today's date that we've added that person to the list. Now let's go ahead and send a CV. So let's click on this button here, this mail icon. We'll launch an email with the email address being sent to the client contact for this job. Job title, candidate's name. The cover letter text is taken here from the candidate part of the database. And this information here in the signature is pulled from the consultancy part of the database. Let's go ahead and send that. We'll notice that the status changes to sent, and we have a date in here for when the CV has been sent. Let's say we've been lucky enough to organise an interview today. Put in today's date and the time in 24-hour format. Press enter and confirm that we do want to send an email to the candidate and the contact with details of the interview so everybody knows what's going on. So the first one goes to the candidate, telling them when and where the interview is and who they'll be meeting with, and contact numbers for the client contact. And then we had a similar email going to the client contact with the date and the time and the candidate's phone numbers. Again, all of this information, the signature information, is pulled from the consultancy part of the database. Go ahead and change that, so send that rather. We'll see that the status jumps to interview stage, and we have an interview that's been pushed into our Outlook calendar. The time is free because we'll still be in the office working, but it's just a good way of keeping track of where interviews are happening and that kind of thing. So that's just a very quick look at the job screen of Pipeline. Interview 2 works in the same way. Once we're ready for this person to start, we'll put in the start date, click on this button here, and then we can go ahead and fill in the placement details. So let's say he's been offered a job at $100,000 and we're charging a recruitment fee of 20%. Now we can either save the data and close there, or we can create the invoice straight away. So let's say that he started, create an invoice, and there's the invoice ready to send to the client. So there we have it. That's a quick look at the jobs screen of Pipeline. Thanks for tuning in, and please do check out the other video tutorials on the different parts of Pipeline. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.